Welcome to 1776 Natalies Way in Cantonment, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is 1,547 square feet. It resides in the community of Bentley Oaks on a nice sized corner lot here. As you can see, we do have sidewalks throughout this community, which is always a wonderful bonus to have. Fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence as well. We do have a side gate entry over here on our right-hand side, leading into the backyard. Vinyl exterior on this home as well as gutters. There are blinds throughout as well in this house. So I just love these storm doors on the front of the house. They just allow so much natural light to come into the main living area whenever you want to prop your front door open. So another bonus feature of this house, we do have a linen closet on our right-hand side here coming in. So into the main living area, we do have high ceilings in the living room with the plant ledge that encompasses half the room here, as you can see. Hardwood floors in the living room and tile throughout. So no carpet in this home. Very spacious living area. Nice open floor plan here. We have a huge dining area. You can get a table that seats 8 easily in here. So if you love entertaining, you have plenty of room to get a nice big table in here and entertain all your friends and family. Into the kitchen, we do have a built-in desk area as well as a breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances with a refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. Pantry, electric cooktop, and built-in microwave. And again, this huge dining space over here. Just off the kitchen here, we do have our laundry area. And then the garage door entry as well, which has a 2-car garage, an additional attic space storage. So into the primary suite, this is a huge bedroom here. We do have a ceiling fan with tray ceilings. You could easily get a king-size bed in here, and if you needed additional workspace or you have a Peloton or something you needed to get into your bedroom, there's plenty of room in here for that. Very large bedroom here. Into the primary bathroom, we do have a double vanity here with a shower tub combo. We've got a nice big garden tub here, great for soaking if you're a bath person, and into the walk-in closet. So nice little setup here. We have our commode kind of off to the side back there. All right. So moving on to the other 2 bedrooms, you kind of have a little privacy here with the master with some separation from the 2 additional bedrooms. So our first bedroom on the back side of the house, they are roughly the same size, off by a few inches here. This closet does have a nice walk-in. There's lots of storage in this one. And then we do have our hall bath here. Shower tub combo in here. Great if you have littles, if you need that bathtub. And hall linen closet for additional storage, and then our bedroom located on the front side of the house. So nice floor plan here, very spacious. All right, and out into the backyard, we do have a nice screened enclosed patio. It measures 13 by 9. We have some wonderful French doors here, allowing for all the natural light to come in. It's a nice little hangout spot. And again, we do have a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence on the corner lot here. Plenty of room for a swimming pool if you were interested in adding a swimming pool. And then our side gate entry over here on the this side of the house. It would be on the right side if you were looking at the front of the house. So wonderful little setup here. I'll take you back inside and give you a peek at the kitchen one last time. And again, this is going to be 1776 Natalies Way in Cantonment, Florida. Please let us know if you'd like to see it, or if you have anyone who'd like to see it. We'd love to show you. Again, 1776 Natalies Way in Cantonment, Florida.